If heartbreak left you doubting your judgment, your intuition, or your ability to choose well, this video is for you. Because the hardest thing to rebuild after a relationship ends isn't love, it's trust in yourself. Today we're talking about how to rebuild self-trust in a healthy, grounded way. Heartbreak can distort your internal narrative. You might think, I missed the red flags. I ignored my intuition. I should have known better. I can't trust myself. That story becomes heavier than the breakup itself. But here's the truth. You made decisions with the information and awareness you had at the time. Growth changes perception. That doesn't mean you were foolish. It means you evolved. Self-trust isn't about never making mistakes. It's about knowing you can handle outcomes. You don't need perfect discernment. You need resilience. Here's how to rebuild self-trust. First, own what you ignored. Not with shame, with clarity. Where did you override yourself? Where did you stay quiet? Where did you rationalize? That awareness builds strength. Second, separate intuition from anxiety. Anxiety is loud and urgent. Intuition is quiet and steady. Learning the difference is key. Third, start honoring small signals. If something feels off, pause. If something feels aligned, notice. Self-trust is rebuilt in small moments, not dramatic ones. Fourth, stop rewriting history. Don't turn the relationship into proof that you're incapable. Turn it into data. Data makes you wiser. Shame makes you smaller. A powerful reframe. You didn't fail. You gathered information. That mindset builds secure attachment to yourself. Secure dating starts internally. When you trust yourself, you don't cling, you don't panic, you don't overcorrect, you move with steadiness. In the next episode, we're going to talk about how to re-enter dating without rushing and without fear. Subscribe for the Dating from Secure series, where we rebuild self-trust and choose relationships from strength.